Hello, guys, I am Vansha. If you feel alone right now, this is going to hurt a little, but it might save you years of your life. You are not alone, you are just finally seeing the truth. Because loneliness doesn't come from having no people, it comes from having the wrong people who clap for you but feel uncomfortable when you grow. People who stay as long as you stay the same. So basically, I recently stopped talking to a few people. Not because I wanted to, but because I finally saw them clearly. And my first thought was, why did I tolerate so much for so long? You know what the truth is? Here's the truth. You don't miss people. You miss the version of them you created in your head. Because when you are attached, you upgrade people. You give in all your energy, all your love, and all your magic to that person. So that person becomes magical. But that magic wasn't in that person. That magic was yours. It was you that made it so special. So basically, you miss the version that you created inside your head of them. You upgraded them because you were attached. You ignored the signs. You ignored the red flags. But the moment you take your energy back, they shrink. And suddenly, they are not special anymore. They are ordinary. Some people don't support you, they study you. They watch how you move, how you grow, and then compare it to themselves. That's why your success feels heavy around them because it exposes their insecurity. And your hardest truth is the most dangerous people. They are the ones who smile the most, sit with you, laugh with you, and still talk behind your back. And they hope that you fail. They literally hope that you face a downfall. You know, you should never sit on a table where they talk about others because as soon as you get up, you're going to be a topic. Trust me, I know this from personal experience. And when you realize all this and all this finally makes sense to you, it hits, you feel alone, you feel disconnected, you start questioning yourself. Was I the problem? Because self doubt comes. But here's where everything changes. Maybe you are not losing people. Maybe you are outgrowing them. Because growth is expensive. It costs you people, control, comfort, and familiarity. And not everyone can come with you. Remember, you are not alone. You are just in a phase where your old life can't follow you anymore. And I believe this deeply. Sometimes God removes people from your life not because they are bad, but because they are not meant for where you are going. He isolates you. So you stop depending on others and finally build yourself. So this silence, this distance, this loneliness, it's not empty, it's preparation. This is where your standards rise, your mindset sharpens, your identity changes. So, if you are in this phase right now, stop chasing, stop explaining, stop going back. Take your energy back, build in silence, level up privately. Because when you glow differently, you won't even want the same people again. One day, you will look back at this phase and thank God you felt alone. You know, because when I look back at the people I tolerated, I tell God, thank you, God, that I'm lonely. Because rather than having people who are hoping that I fail, who are waiting for me to fail, I would prefer being alone. And I can do it all on my own. And that's what I want you to believe about yourself because At the end of the day, no one's coming, and that is the truth. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I just want you to stay strong. If you're going through hell, if it's hurting, then go right through it and come back stronger, prettier, smarter, and wiser. That's all. And send this to someone who needs it right now, because these are the phases that every successful person goes through. And please subscribe, share, and like, and drop down your suggestions in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.